What we have right here is the GAC GN8, and for the past few weeks before this, we've been referring to it as the Chinese Toyota Alphard. But with that in mind, let's see what it has to offer. The GN8 is GAC's flagship family mover in the Philippine market, and it is priced at 2,958,000 Philippine pesos. Siguro sasabihin ng iba, mahal to for a Chinese car, pero since na-try ko na to, masasabi kong nope, it's not. So let's talk about styling. So talagang the GN8 really gives off a different vibe compared to the rest of the GAC lineup. So I would be lying if sasabihin kong hindi ko nakikita yung Alphard dito because it really does. And here in front, meron siyang malaking grille covered in chrome, and then it also has LED headlights. And then meron din siyang LED DRL and a pair of halogen fog lights. On the side, it's just your typical van. Haba niya oh, hindi ko nga maabot. Typical van mo lang naman siya, but you have your chrome accents here on the door handle and dito sa baba. Plus, you have a power folding side mirrors with LED turn indicators. Plus, it gives you the premium look and feels with the 18-inch two-tone alloy wheels wrapped in 225/55 Michelin tires. And, tanan! Meron kang dual power sliding doors. At the back, the GN8 has a full LED taillights. And ang maganda ba dito, di ba usually yung mga ibang sasakyan, ordinary taillights lang. Ito sa kanya, full taillights. So from left to right, buo to. This one, umiilaw yan. Tapos you have reverse camera, you have parking sensors, and meron kang real dual exhaust finishers. So talagang maganda. So check naman natin yung kanyang trunk space. So powered tailgate siya. Kaya lang, pansin nyo, ayan, medyo mabagal siyang mag-open and mabagal din siya mag-start bumukas. So yun lang yung downside niya dito. And then inside, you can see, this is the space. You can fit, I think, 2 or 3 small luggage or 1 medium-sized luggage. And then you have 12-volt power outlet here on the side, and then you have your tools dito sa baba. Tapos nakikita nyo yung mga gamit, ganyan siya kalaki. And you can see this bag, ganyan siya kalalim. So, ito, ganyan din. And then, ang only downside lang dito sa loob, ang nakikita ko is, yung flooring material niya, it's very light. So, madumihin talaga siya. And then, if you want to add more space, kailangan mo ng mapaglalagyan, you can pull this strap here sa upper part. So, pag hinila mo na, push it, yan, bababa siya. And then, meron ka pang mas shorter strap dito sa pinakababa. Hilain mo, and then, aangat na siya, then you can hook it on the second row. So, magkakaroon ka na ng more space for your things. So again, like what I've said earlier, power sliding ang doors niya. So, it's automatic na, wala ka nang kailangan gawin, and then, you can get in. But before that, napansin ko rin nga, aside from dun sa likod, ganun din yung dito. The flooring is very light. So, light colored material siya, which is prone sa dumi. Lalo na kapag umuulan, tas maputik. Pag-apak mo pa lang dito, kakapitan na siya ng dumi. So, pag pumasok na tayo, yan. And then, automatic din siya magko-close once you push it. And then, it's very comfy here inside. Lalo na yung seats niya, talagang very soft, ang ganda ng material, nakaka-relax talaga dito sa loob. Plus, makikita nyo, yung legroom ko, ang laki. Even my footroom, sobrang layo, oh, ang laki. Headroom ko, ganun din. And then, sa seat niya, meron kang remote control. So, yung remote controls, itong sa upper part, that's for the leg support. So, pag pinindot natin yan, ayan, makikita nyo to, umaakyat siya. Yan yung max niya. And talagang it's very comfy, nakaka-relax siya ng legs, ng buong body. And then moving on, itong nasa gitna na buttons, yung mga arrows, that's for the lumbar support. And sa middle, yan yung pang on and off ng massage feature niya. So pag pinindot natin, may mafe-feel kayo dito na gumagalaw, parang tinutulak-tulak ka, inaapak-apakan ka sa likod. Yun yung sa massage. You also have heated and cooled seats. which are perfect for hot and cold weather. So, meron pa siyang 3 different levels, so pwede mo siya i-adjust. Sobrang okay ng mga features niya na yan. And then, dito sa seats nga, meron kang butterfly headrest. So, kunyari pag magalaw yung or malubak yung daan, hindi ka basta-basta gaganon. So, iso-support ka ng nakaganon dun sa headrest, which is very nice. And then, you can also recline the seat. Kung gusto mong matulog talaga ng almost 180 degrees, pwede mo siyang i-recline. There. So, pwede ka nang matulog. Kunyari, pupunta ka ng Ilocos or Baguio, gusto mo matulog. Ayan. And nakikita mo pa yung sky, which is perfect. Okay. And then, pwede mo rin i-move forward yung seats mo kung nasisikapan yung mga nasa likod. Ayan. May enough space ka pa naman, enough legroom, malapad pa rin yung space. So, more space na sa likod. And then, if gusto mo ng more space dito sa side mo and walang tao sa likod, you can, yan, masasagad mo siya and super laki na ng space mo. Pwede ka pa magpa-pedicure dito. Diyan si ate, tapos andito ikaw while moving. And then, dito naman, you have 2 back pockets and then meron kang 2 cup holders. You have your 12-volt power outlet in a USB port. And meron kang drawer dito sa baba. But, it's kind of flimsy lang. Yun nga lang. And then, here on top, meron kang sunroof. So, yung sunroof mo, hindi nabubuksan yung glass. So, only the shades ang makokontrol mo dito. And yun lang din yung bumubukas. And then, you also have your own AC controls here in the second row with your own adjustment for the temperature. Andito yung AC vents mo and your lights. Tapos, lastly, meron kang mood lighting on both sides and even dito sa door. So, sabi nila it has 32 different colors. So, pwede mo siyang i-change dito sa button sa taas. So, yun, talagang perfect dito. Feeling mo talaga VIP ka. So, now, we're here in the third row. And makikita nyo, the space is still very big, it's very decent. Ayan yung legroom ko, my footroom, even my headroom still very decent. Lalo na kung mabait ka sa mga nasa second row, bibigyan ka pa ng more space, diba? Like, kung generous siya, lalaki pa yung space mo dito. And then you have your own cup holder, your storage, and ang good thing dito, naka-leather din yung armrest mo. So, talagang comfy sa buong sasakyan. And then, hindi lang 2 full-size adults ang pwede dito. 3 full-size adults ang pwedeng umupo dito because this van is really a 7-seater vehicle. Tapos ayan, you have your own AC vents and meron ka ring ilaw mo dito sa likod. And also, naka-privacy glass na siya, meaning straight from the factory, meron ng tint yung mga salamin ng second row and dito sa third row. Here in front, it's your typical van but very, very nice and very decent. And expected na meron siyang mga soft touch materials like this one on the dashboard and the leather material with white stitching. Sobrang ganda niya. Meron kang silver accents around the air vents and even dito sa center console, dito sa door. And then, meron ka ring piano black plastics here. Tapos, you also have this faux wood accent or material here on the center console as well and even dito sa door panel mo. So, talagang puno siya ng mga different kinds of materials which blends well together. Tapos yung sa seats niya, it has a beige leather seat with very nice stitching and maganda yung material niya, malambot siya. Comfy naman siya, kaya lang medyo kulang siya ng support sa back. Medyo flat siya. But what's important is yung nasa likod naman. So, dun sa likod, talagang comfy yung support ng seats. And then, para dito sa steering wheel, you have a leather wrap steering wheel with nice stitching and you have your audio controls on the left and your cruise controls on the right. Tapos, ito yung horn niya. It sounds nice, diba? Magandang yung horn, I like it. And then tilt and telescopic siya, so pwede mo siyang ma-adjust both ways, which is very nice. And then meron siyang analog gauges with a 7-inch multi-information display in the middle. And then it has different kinds of displays like your outside temperature, your fuel range, your battery voltage, your speed, your current fuel economy, your short-term and long-term trip computer, your tire pressure or temperature and outside temperature again. So, very easy to read siya, hindi confusing yung display and yung user interface niya. And you also have your own sunroof dito sa first row, which you can control dito sa taas. Plus, you can also control the doors dito sa gitna. So, kunyari, bago pumasok yung passenger mo, pwede mo nang pindutin to, so it will open na. And then, here below, you have a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and CarLife. And very responsive siya. It's easy to use, user-friendly. The graphics is very decent and very responsive. Mabilis siya mag-change. Sa tap pa lang, nagre-respond na siya agad, which is very, very good. And then you have your shifter here, which have different modes dito. May button, which is Eco, Sport, your normal, and for your winter. And very reachable yung mga controls dito sa gitna, which is good kasi hindi ka na mahirapan. You don't need to extend your hands, tapos mawawala pa yung concentration mo. And then, you have card holders dito or your ID holder. And then, you have your buttons for your infotainment system. Plus, meron siyang volume knobs and other kind of knob na very helpful talaga, which I really, really like. And then, sa baba, you have your tri-zone automatic climate control. So, you have your control for the driver's side dito on the left side. Tapos, on the rightmost side, andun yung controls ng temperature ng passenger mo and for the rear. Tapos, you have cigarette lighter, your electronic parking brake with auto hold function, and a storage here which you can put your car keys or coins or even cell phones. And then, moving on, nandito yung 2 cup holders mo na pwede mong i-move pa sa loob or pwede mo ring matanggal. So, removable siya. And you have this big center armrest with a very big storage inside as well na may 2 USB ports. The GN8 is powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder e-turbo petrol engine with 199 horsepower and 320 Nm of torque paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. And power is sent to the front wheels. So let's bring it out on a test drive. Pero bago yan, kailangan as a passenger muna tayo. Safety features on the GAC GN8 GT Luxury are 6 airbags, ABS, EBD, electronic stability program, traction control, hydraulic brake assist, hill hold control, hill descent control, TPMS, anti-rollover system, crash automatic unlocking, and ISOFIX. So now we will start with being a passenger dito sa GN8. And talagang it's very comfy dito sa likod. Tignan mo yung legroom ko. Look at my legroom. Even my footroom, I can extend my legs. It's really, really comfy here inside, lalo na when you're a passenger. Talagang smooth yung ride niya. Kaya lang, as usual, kapag meron kang madadaan na malalaking lubak, you really feel the vibration. But that's okay lang. And then, for the road noise, medyo may road noise siya compared to what we expected. So, kasi expect namin na wala gaano. Pero sa highway lang naman yun. But when you're in the city na, wala ka na maririnig na road noise. So, perfect siya, nakaka-relax. And then, sa wind noise, wala din. And overall, talagang maganda yung ride niya. And siguro, kaya nasabi ko kanina na medyo mafe-feel mo yung vibrations kapag malalim yung madadaanan mo mga lubak. It's because I think that there's only 2 of us here right now. One is the driver, which is si Julian, and me. So kapag puno kayo, mas marami kayo dito, syempre mas I think the ride will be better. As much as I want to be a passenger sa likod, kailangan pa rin natin to i-drive. And surprisingly, maganda yung drive niya. Talagang masarap siya i-drive. It's very smooth. And before kasi na-drive ko na yung Kia Carnival, and it's a really very good na van. And ganun din ito. It's a very good van as well. And like sinabi ko nga kanina na the ride is very comfy, it's smooth, masarap umupo dito. So now, magpo-focus na lang tayo sa driving. So when I first saw the GN8 dun sa loob ng showroom, ang unang pumasok sa isip ko na, wow, it's really, really big. Talagang malaki siya. And it is really big. Pero once nung na-drive ko naman na siya, mabilis akong nasanay kasi it's really easy to drive and really comfy siya i-drive. Lalo na yung steering niya, magaan na magaan. So, talagang mabilis kang masasanay, hindi ka mahihirapan sa ganito. And even better, it doesn't feel as big as it looks. To be honest, yung sa steering niya, medyo light pa siya. I mean, for me, I think dapat mas mabigat pa siya ng konti. But kapag sa mga curves naman, when you're turning, it feels very, very direct. So, magkaka-confidence ka when you're driving. Kaya, masarap talaga siya i-drive. When taking curves, it feels very, very stable kahit na mataas siya. So, hindi ka matatakot na i-drive ito or even as a passenger. Talagang you'll feel safe. So, for the most important part now, which is the engine, for sure sasabihin ng mga tao na, ay, 2 liters lang yan eh. Paano niya kakayanin yan? Lalo na, it's a van, di ba? Pero, kinakaya niya, and kakayanin pa niya because talagang very responsive yung pag-apak pa lang sa gas, kumakagat na yung power. So talagang mafe-feel mo yung pull niya, and even your passengers, they would feel it as well. So mapapatanong sila na, uy, bilis mo yata kasi ganun siya ka-torquey. Another good thing is that meron siyang traditional automatic. So it makes the engine run smoothly, unlike sa mga bago ngayon na dual clutch na may konting lag, ito wala. Also, yung engine sound niya, sobrang ganda pakinggan, sarap pakinggan. Hindi siya tunog van. Parang ano siya, sedan, yung tunog niya. So, wala, masarap siya pakinggan. For the fuel economy, ang combined average namin is nasa around 10 kilometers per liter, which is okay na rin, and that's mostly nasa highway. And kung iisipin mo, medyo magastos siya sa gas, but okay naman na, I think, kasi syempre, if may pambili ka ng ganito, syempre gusto mo ng luxury, gusto mo ng magandang ride, hindi mo na iisipin kung makapagastos ka ba sa gas kasi kaya mo naman, di ba? So, di na problem. It may not have the Alphard name or even the Mercedes-Benz 3-pointed star, but this one definitely speaks for itself. It provides you the comfort that you need, and it gives you the luxury feels and the features, kaya talagang may laban to.